Consonant sounds and letters in Malayalam.
Ka as in Kala. Kala means art. A-R-T, art. Kha as in Nakham. Nakham means nail, fingernails or toenails. Ga as in Ganam. Ganam means song. Gha as in Megham. Megham means cloud. Nga as in Manga. Manga means mango. Cha as in Chakka. Chakka is jackfruit. Cha as in Chaya. Chaya means image. It is not Chaya, it is Chaya, which is an aspirated variety of Cha. Chaya. Ja as in Jalam. Jalam means water. We usually say Vellam. Jalam is Sanskrit, I think. Jha. Jasham. Jasham is fish. But we don't usually say Jasham. We usually say Malsyam. Nya. Nyangal. As in Nyangal. Nyangal means we. We. Excluding the listeners. Including the listeners, another word is used in Malayalam, nammal. So, nyangal is we, nammal also is we. But nyangal means we without you, the listener. Nammal means we, including you, the listener. Ta as in tire. It is an English word. In English, the first sound is t, an alveolar sound, an aspirated alveolar sound, tire. But in Malayalam, the first sound is ta, which is a retroflex sound. Then ta. Ta also is a retroflex sound. It is an aspirated variety of ta. Ta, ta. As in Patham. Patham means lesson. Da as in Laddu. Laddu is an Indian sweet. Dha as in Dhakka. Dhakka is a musical instrument, a drum instrument. Na as in Panam. Panam means money. Ta as in Tala. Tala means head. Tha as in Katha. Katha means story. Da as in Dinam. Dinam means day. D-A-Y, day. We usually say Divasam. Dha as in Dhanam. Dhanam. Dhanam means wealth. Na as in Nadi. Nadi means actress. Another sound also is represented by the same letter. It is na. Ana. I think this is the only letter that has two different pronunciations in Malayalam. Na and na. Na as in Nadi, Nalla, Narayanan, etc. And the other sound is Na as in Ana, Mana, Manas. Ana is elephant. Then pa, as in padam. Padam means picture. Pa, as in phalam. Phalam means fruit of a tree or result of something. And the sound is not a fricative sound. Fricative sound is a sound that produces some kind of friction, as in f, v, sh, z, etc. But this is not a f. F is a fricative sound. This is pa, which is an aspirated variety of pa. In Malayalam and in Hindi too, it is pa, I think, not fa. Some English words are used as native words, words like fan, fine, etc. sometimes. And such words can be there, but those words are English words. And so those sounds, the sound fa is not used normally in Malayalam. It is not a Malayalam sound. It is not a Hindi sound either. Then it is pa, phalam. Then ba, as in balam. Balam means strength. Bha, as in bhayam. Bhayam means fear. Ma, as in maram. Maram means tree or wood. Wood also is called maram. Then ya, as in yatra. Yatra means journey. Ra, as in rendu. Rendu means two. 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 La, as in labham. Labham means profit. Then va, as in vanam. Vanam means forest. Sha, as in shabdam. Shabdam means sound. Sha, as in shoes. Shoes. Then sa, as in satyam. Satyam means truth. Then ha, as in himam. Himam means snow. Then la, as in olam.
Olam is a small wavy movement seen on water surfaces caused by surface tension. Large waves are called Tiramala in Malayalam.
Then ra, as in aram. I don't think that sound is used in Hindi.
No, it isn't used in Hindi.
Ra, aram. Aram means depth, D-E-P-T-H, depth, which is the noun form of the word deep. Then ra, as in para. Para means rock. Then comes cha, which is actually a combination of two sounds, k and sha. But the sound is used as a single sound in Malayalam, cha, as in pacham. Pacham means side, as in take sides with somebody. His side, her side, my side, like that. Ende pacham, avende pacham, a pacham, e pacham, this side, that side. That's it. These are the consonant sounds in Malayalam. You can practice reading and writing.
With the help of this lesson, I hope. Okay.
Goodbye.